This is an assembly video for the Dream light kit. Kit comes with hardware, LED light, adapter, and license plate bracket. For the hardware, we have the adapter mounting bolts, the fender mounting bolts, and the license plate mounting bolts. And then it also comes with an extra bullet connector should one of these fail. I had to put on different connectors because this light comes with a smaller gauge bullet connector that doesn't work for the bike. So there's three different sets of hardware. The bolt with the large washer is for the adapter. The bolts with the 3D printed bushing is for the lower fender. And the last set is for the license plate to mount to the license plate bracket. So the first thing you want to do, take the adapter bolts apart and press the bolt into the adapter, just like that. Next, you want to remove the nuts from the LED light. Set those aside. There's also two little washers. I'm going to take those off. Then you want to slide on the license plate bracket. Like so. It matches the shape of the light, so there's really only one way to orient this. Then you want to slide the adapter on, like so. Put the washers back on for the light, and that'll squeeze everything together. What I'm using is just a number 7 socket. I just hand tighten it down. This is my personal one. I've been running it for quite a while. It has never came loose. There's that. With the light together, you want to feed the wiring through the top of the 3 bolt holes in the fender. And then that presses against that, holding the light and the fender with one hand. The bolt studs will drop down. You want to put the flat washer on first, and then the split washer, and then the nut. It can be kind of tricky. You gotta let the bolt drop down so the threads catch. Okay. Then using a number 10 socket, get them loose, and then kind of line that up where you want it. Start to cinch it down, aligning the light. Go. Now I just do these hand tight until the washers compress. And that's it. So these are for the license plate. I drilled these per my state's license plate spacing. They vary, so these slots might not work for yours. And then these are for the lower fender mount to the frame. And I have a little bushing here, 3D printed bushing, so when that sits in the frame, it stays centered in there, and then it just screws into the subframe. Put the washer, washers on the back, lock washer, and then fasten it down. As far as connecting it, the wiring, green goes to the bike blue, black goes to black, red goes to bike yellow. These other two wires are for turn signal. If you want to connect those, it does have two turn signals on the sides of the light there. If you want to do that. Other than that, pretty simple. Put the fender back on the bike and enjoy.